Indian rupees. Okay. And AWS will be live sessions. Linux will be live sessions, and Windows will just provide the recordings. Okay. And we'll provide the recordings of AWS as well as Linux. So whatever live sessions we are conducting here, friends, once we complete that live session, we'll provide you the recording of that particular session. So literally every session will be recorded here and all the recordings will be provided to you. Okay. And like I said, this is only for this particular phase 6,999. Let me just write down INR. Okay. This is one thing. This is about your package. Okay. AWS, Linux, and Windows Server Administration. I'll be handling all the three courses. Actually, I'll be taking AWS classes, Linux administration, as well as Windows administration. I'll provide my recorded sessions. Now, the next thing here is right now we are joining at 10 a.m. Yesterday we joined at 10 a.m. Today also we have joined at 10 a.m. But you know, friends, every day it is not at 10 a.m., right? After a couple of days, that is after tomorrow, actually, the classes will start exactly at 9 a.m. Remember, I told you already there is a group of people. Okay, they are coming in this particular 9 a.m. batch. I have just completed one or two more topics compared to you at this particular batch, 10 a.m. batch. So I just need to cover up everything before before we just, mix all the people and continue the sessions regularly at 9 a.m. So this is not at 10 a.m. every day, friends. The 10 a.m. is only for next couple of days. Maybe last tomorrow, actually. Today and tomorrow it will be at 10 a.m. But later on it will just be at 9 a.m. till the end of the course. Okay. And most probably next week I'll be starting the Linux administration classes at morning 7 a.m. So if you're interested in coming in the complete package, you should come in the complete package actually. Until and unless you know already the Linux administration, you've already completed Linux before, then it's a different case. But if you're a fresher who is planning to, start the career in this IT industry, then my friend, Linux server administration is mandatory for you. It is compulsory for you to learn the Linux administration. So that's the reason this package, we have all these three courses. Okay, fine. So like I said, today and tomorrow it will be at 10 a.m. But after tomorrow, the classes will start regularly at 9 a.m. only. Done? And like I said, I'll be sharing my email ID as well as the mobile phone number in case if you have any, it's a WhatsApp number actually. So in case if you have any doubts when you do practice, while practicals, you have any doubt or before you go to interview, you just want to focus on few things. If you want to just have small, chat with me, I'll be more than available on my WhatsApp number. So hopefully that number I'll share after like few days. But as of now, these are the things that you need to remember about this particular package and the timings. And what we are learning in this package, these things, right? AWS, Linux, and Windows. And what we are learning in AWS, Linux, and Windows, institute people will share the syllabus with you. If not, I'll share the syllabus directly, no issues. So everything is clearly added inside that particular package. Okay. All the details of our course curriculum is clearly mentioned there. Now, let me just go through the yesterday session in couple of minutes. Actually, it was a very basic session on cloud computing. So if I can just summarize everything here, and what's the summary of yesterday's session? Cloud computing is a concept where we are IT resources on lease from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Now, this is what it is. This definition sums up everything, right? What it says here? It says cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources. So what are these IT resources, my friend? See, to run any application, we need certain resources, right? Like we need server, server OS, storage, firewall, database, router, etc. These are the IT resources we need. And if you want to take all these IT resources, you have to take these IT resources to establish the computer network. And we have to bring all these devices from different locations or different companies, and we have to make a network, form a network. There are different group of people involved there. Okay, and after like some weeks and weeks of work, finally the network is established and your applications are on and your business is up. But friends, what is this cloud computing? Cloud computing is a service offered by some companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and many more companies. They say, listen, to run your business, you need all this infrastructure, right? You need to spend some crores and crores of rupees on this particular infrastructure. So these people says, instead of spending that much money on this infrastructure, do one thing. Amazon says, do one thing, come to us. We have data centers available across the globe. Amazon people says we have data centers available across the globe where we can offer you any servers, any storage, whatever you need, whatever router you need, we simply provide you everything. So company like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google says we have data centers available across the globe. We can provide you all the resources that you're looking for. So you no need to buy them. You no need to buy them, or you no need to own them, or you no need to maintain them. See, instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers, you can access everything from us. So this is a very simple way of providing these services. Cloud computing is such a simple idea, my friend, that it's something like your marriage function also. If I can take this example, remember some years before, let's say 2 decades before, maybe when someone is getting married in our family or neighborhood or friends or whatever, remember the days we used to set up everything near the house or near our home. There will be some ground actually where we used to set up everything. Marriage was a occasion for like say 8 to 10 days back in those days actually. I remember 1990s, if someone is getting married, it was the occasion for like 5 7 days, because before 2 3 days we have to build everything. After the marriage is over, then it will take another 2 days to clean up everything. Go to some function hall, just book function hall for that particular day. Okay, catering will be there, function hall will be there, will there, stage will be there, everything is set there. So the function hall per take the responsibility of everything. They will, okay, if 1,000 people are coming, this will be the food we will serve, this will be the facilities we will provide, and this much you need to pay. So today, happily, every person is ready to pay much money and take the services from function hall for one day. So actually, if the marriage is there within home, and brother or sister, anyone is getting married, then also we are going to the function hall on the same day, right? Because we have some other party who is taking responsibility of all the things that we do normally in our olden days. Same logic is applied here, my friend. If you go back in history, 20 years before, 15 years, companies using servers, routers, storage, firewalls, and they used to bring everything. It was a very difficult task. But now they can simply connect to the cloud and they can simply take these services from cloud. If they need 300 servers, they can take 300 servers. If they need 5,000 servers, they can easily take 5,000 servers. And if they need only 20 servers, they can easily take 20 servers. This is a concept of cloud computing, my friend. We just need to connect to the data center of Amazon and take the resources. So where are the data centers available? That's a great discussion we have to do, my friend. As of not ready for it. We'll see all these things today and tomorrow. But as of now, I can say we can simply go there and we can simply see how we can fit all the access to them, or how we can take all the access from them. Okay. This is the concept of cloud computing. Now, does it mean the company is not having any local network? No. Local area networks are still available, my friend. Local networks will not go anywhere. The difference here is the servers, instead of running in a company, the servers are running in cloud. Can I take one more example? For example, you have totally 50 lakh rupees with you. Just imagine, friends, you have totally 50 lakh rupees with you. There are two options you have. One option is you can keep this 50 lakh in a bank, or you can keep this 3 lakh rupees in a home. Will prefer a bank compared to home, right? All home, we have some almiras and we have some lockers and we have all the other, security things. Can we provide the same security a bank can provide? Obviously, although the bank is having much more money compared to compared to this 50 lakh cash what they have some crores of rupees, but still, like I said, my bank provide you security compared to the security that we can provide at home. So bank is acting like a cloud. Bank is acting like a cloud, and our local area network is acting at home. We still have some money in our home, we still have some servers in our local area network. Done. This is the concept. Now, this is what we have seen in our session. That was demo number one. Let's try to see a few more things today. Let's try to understand, let's analyze how these people are providing the cloud services, or from where providing these cloud services. Remember what it says, we need to the data center and we need to use all the resources, right? So where are the data centers available? How we select the data center? On this is to connect data center. All these things we'll try to understand today, my friend. Okay, and the rules same, the protocol remains same. If you have questions in the middle of session, you can always use here. I'm just sending a message here again. I'm saying hello all. So you can send me the question in the chat box at any time, so that you should not take any doubt with you. The best thing you can do in online is actually clear your doubts with the trainer. So I always keep the chat box open till the end of the course. I'm not disabling the chat box. I'm not uh, disabling the mic or the speaker option for you. You can unmute yourself and to me, or if you want to simply, send the messages. That is my because every session we are recording here, right? So just write the message and try to clear all yours. Okay, fine. Now let us move and let us see how these cloud providers are providing service to us. For this, first of all, I need to AWS account. This is AWS account. Actually, I already logged in. This is way it tells you all the things. This is your official Amazon Web Services account. Within couple of classes, I will show you how to create a AWS account and how to use it in much easier way. As of now, I just want to show you my account. I'm showing you like, how to use it and what are the. This is my account here. This is the official AWS account, friends. It will be same for you when you use services. And if you work in a company as a cloud administrator, account will remain same. Okay. Once you get into this account, the first thing you need to do here is something called a region. Can you see here? Tokyo, Sydney, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Mumbai. You can see all these things here. AWS people are providing services from different geographical locations. AWS people are providing services from different geographical locations. For example, if there is a bank and they give this service, keep them deposit and can do all the other activities. That means any branch, right? You have a physical branch located. So maybe in your area there is a physical branch. Maybe in my area there is a physical branch. So we just go there, get account, do all the other activities, right? So we just need to understand the global infrastructure of MS. If I go to Google, if I say AWS global infrastructure here. See here, my friend, this is the AWS infrastructure that I'm talking about. So this is what we understand carefully. Exactly this AWS infrastructure and how exactly it will help us in, running the applications and storing the data and all those things. One of the most important part of our cloud administration as a cloud administrator is we need to make sure we select a proper data center properly. Technically, we call it as regions actually. So see here, friends. As of now, Amazon says there are totally 4 regions with 44 availabilities. So it is mandatory for us to understand what is region and what is availability zones. I repeat, it is nearly mandatory for us to understand these regions and availability zones. Now let me take internship and things in much easier way. Fine. So see here, friends. The first thing what we do here is we just go and connect to this global infrastructure, AWS Amazon.com. This is not Amazon.com. This is AWS.Amazon.com. Amazon only your commerce where you go there and do some shopping and all those things. So that is a different thing and this is a different thing, right? Amazon.com is for buying something. That's a e-commerce website. This is your AWS.Amazon.com. So this is something you need to remember. Now, so once you go there and connect this AWS.Amazon.com, it will ask you to enter your username and password. It will say identify yourself. So username will be actual email ID. Okay, how to create a username, how to create a account, we will see this practically hopefully in coming classes. And then we have a password. So some password will be there for sure. So this is your username and password. Okay. So once you enter, like I can show you already entered here. You already entered in particular account here. It will show you the console and can show you all these things here. Now what next? Once you enter your account here, my friend, the next thing here is you just select your region. What we have to select? You have to select a particular region. So what is the region? Region is a place, friend, from where it is providing all these services. Repeat, region is a geographical place from where AWS people are providing all the services. I said you, if they are offering you these services, like they will keep you service, they will do that, right? Have a particular location, right? So here the AWS data centers are in a region, and those regions are actually known as those locations are actually known as regions. So I need to select my region first. Imagine I have selected my region as Mumbai. I am sitting in Hyderabad. Right now, my current location is Hyderabad. So why I have selected the Mumbai region? So let me show you one first. If you just go and see this global infrastructure, can you see this green color here? This green color dots will show you where exactly are the regions available. Just your cursor here, can you see Hyderabad region, which is launched in the year 2022. And here is the Mumbai region, which is launched in the year 2026. That means from 2026, people are offering services from Mumbai. From 2026 or 2016, actually, not 26, 2016. AWS people are offering all these services, actually, right? The cloud computing services offering Mumbai region 2016. These two places from where people are providing all the resources here. Okay, fine. That now, again, the question here is, I am sitting in Hyderabad and I have sitting in Mumbai region. Why so? See, it is always you decide the region based, and every live session will be recorded actually, and all recordings will be shared with you. Okay. Linux is also live. Okay, and every live session will be recorded and all the live sessions will be shared with you. Okay, so AWS live sessions, Linux administration live sessions will be recorded and all the sessions. And coming to the Windows Server administration, my friend, Windows administration, we are only sharing recordings. I have few of my previously recorded sessions, so I'll be sharing those recordings with you. Okay, so this is a package. And if I can just add the fee details here, so it will be 6,000 INR for these three courses. AWS, I'll be handling AWS classes. I'll be taking the Linux administration classes, as well as I'll be providing you the Windows Server administration classes. All these three different courses in 6,999 only. Okay, so this is your offer. And I'm not sure for how long they will keep this offer, but as of now, this is your offer here, my friend. 6,999 INR. Okay, now coming to the AWS live classes, AWS live classes are there every day at 9 a.m. This is actual timings of AWS classes. When I've already started this AWS class, today was actually the second class actually at 9 a.m. So I've already covered few things there for these people. So what I'm trying to do here is at 10 a.m. most probably I'll take few more people for this particular 10 a.m. slot, and I'll just club all these 10 a.m. people into the 9 a.m. people. Already there is a group of people who are coming in 9 a.m. class. Okay, so we just need to have few more people. So that's the reason we have started a new session at 10 a.m. But regular sessions will not be there at 10 a.m. Our daily sessions will not be there at 10 a.m. Next couple of days, it will be at 10 a.m. After that, all the people who are interested in joining this course in this particular package, they have to come morning 9 a.m. for the Amazon Web Services. Okay. And maybe next week, most probably next week, I'll start administration most probably at 7 a.m. So you can come for both the classes parallelly, 7 a.m. for Linux and 9 a.m. for AWS. Okay, so I will not change the Linux administration slot. Okay, but the AWS slot, like I said you, right now it is at 10 a.m. for next couple of days. So I just need to cover up all the things what I've already covered for them. And then I'll simply merge you with them so that it will be a very healthy batch. More people means more questions will come, more doubts will come. The sessions can go more deeper. The sessions can be more interactive. So that is actually the plan behind starting a session at 10 a.m. So hopefully we'll pick up some people, or people who are interested in this 10 a.m. batch. They can just shift to the 9 a.m. after like few days. Okay, so regular classes will be at 9 a.m. AWS, and regular Linux classes will start hopefully next week at 7 a.m. So this is something about your package, and this is about your fees and the timings and all the other things. Okay, now like I said, every session is a live session, so feel free to use your chat box here. There is a chat box here. Just sending a message there. I just said hello there. Hopefully you can see my message there. So just try to use the chat box and try to send your questions in the middle of the session. And at the end of the session, if you have anything else to discuss, you can simply unmute yourself and you can talk to me directly. But at least in the middle of the session, when the recording is on, please try to use the chat box to send your questions or send your queries. Okay, because rewatch this video, revisit this video, that it should be a properly recorded session. Okay, but I request you to keep the sessions more interactive so that we know where we are moving actually and how far we can go in a particular topic. Your questions can make the sessions more interesting. If the sessions are interactive, the sessions will be very, very interesting for sure. Okay, this is about this particular package. Okay, now let us move and let us see what is cloud computing in simple and easy terminologies. See, if you go and do some surveys, especially in last 3-4 years, actually, cloud computing is one of the technology which is in more demand, right? But the concept of cloud computing started in the year 2006. This is the year when the concept of cloud computing started. Cloud computing is not a new technology or a latest technology which came in 2020 or 2019, something like this. Officially they started concept of cloud computing in 2006. But if you go back in history, you can see the traces of cloud computing even in 1970s, 1980s. Before the internet came, the concept of cloud was there literally in a way. Or at least when the internet started, actually the concept of cloud came. Okay, but officially the concept of computing started in year 2000. Now, why? What exactly is cloud computing? It is 2006. Why it became more famous in 2019, 20? This is what you understand today. Okay, now the concept of cloud is very simple here, my friend. For example, I ask you a question. In your mobile phone, you have certain photos and videos. In your laptop, you have certain documents and all these things. If I ask you a question, the documents which are there in your mobile, in your laptop, and the photos and videos that you have in your mobile phone, are they safe and secure? You may say you have a password there. They are probably safe. No one can access the mobile phone data, the laptop data without, entering the password, right? So they are probably safe in that way. But my friend, your hardware and your mobile phone, my hardware and my mobile phone is literally a electronic device, right? Device can go down at any time. I repeat, our device can go down at any time. Some hardware failure. So in case of hardware failure, retrieve the data. Okay, there are many ways in which we can retrieve the data. There are many cases the data cannot be retrievable because hard disk has failed. Maybe it has burned, maybe it has crashed, so we cannot get back our data. So there's no person on the face of the earth who can say 100% guarantee that data they have in laptops or mobile phones is 100% secure. Okay, now I'll ask you one question. Suppose imagine you have a mail account, and in that mail account you have certain documents. Can you tell me those documents are safe? This is a big question, right? So the documents or the emails or messages you have in your mail account, they are probably more safer and more secure than the documents which we have in our laptops and mobile phone, right? So why I'm saying they are safe and secure, because the emails and the documents that we have in our email ID, they are not located with our physical machine. They are located at some other location. So in case if you're using a Gmail account, the documents are available somewhere in a Gmail server. I repeat, the documents are located in a Gmail server. And who is managing this Gmail server? Google is managing this Gmail server, right? Google is one of the leading MNC, right, across the globe. So these people are managing this Gmail server. So what these people will do, they will just try to keep our documents, our mails, our messages, our information, whatever we keep there, they just keep everything with at least 99.999% guarantee. So I'm not saying like over the cloud also, everything is 100% secure. See, technology, especially when you go with some electronic device, no one can say like, okay, things are 100% safe or things are 100% reliable, things are 100% secure. No one can say like, but at least some companies providing you, let's say 99.9999999% guarantee for your data. This is a huge guarantee, right? A company like Amazon Web Services, they offer the cloud services, right? So a company like Amazon, they offer you 99.999% guarantee for the data that you keep in cloud, in the Amazon cloud. So there are companies, you have data within your server within the company, you have data in cloud. So if you keep your data within your company, within your server, fine. You can provide good security, you can, take backups and all those things. But no one instead can even say 90% guarantee yours. Because at the end of the day, it's electronic, there can be some fluctuation somewhere. So the complete data can be destroyed within some seconds actually. But you know what cloud will do? They will say, listen, your data is not safe and secure with you, but keep your data in our data center. We will provide you this much guarantee. This is one of the reason actually, my friend, why literally every company is completely connected to cloud, or at least partially connected to cloud. Why every company is completely running their applications in cloud, or at least partially running the applications in cloud. Okay, now this one example hopefully makes our discussion a bit more stronger in understanding the concept of cloud computing in more details. Okay, so let us try to explore few more things actually about cloud computing, and let us see what exactly is this cloud computing and what exactly it is offering. Now see here friends, this is one of the definition I have copied from the Amazon Web Services official documents. And you know what this says here? In a very simple language, this is cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources. Certain, basic things we need to understand carefully here, my friend. One is your IT resource. So what exactly is a IT resource means? See, IT resource means a server hardware, a server operating system, a storage device, a firewall, a router, database, etc. All these things comes under actually your IT resources. Okay. To run your data, to store your data and to run your application, my friend, you need this IT resources for sure. Now, what is data and what is this application? Data means it can be any form of information that you store on your disk. It can be a text file, it can be a documents, it can be a PowerPoint presentation, it can be a file related to some coding, it can be a file that is related to some accounts, it can be a movie, it can be like no songs, or it can be a photo. Everything comes under data. Done. That is your data. What about applications? See, over the internet, when you go and connect to the internet, what we have on internet? On top of this internet, we are connecting literally to some application. You may be connecting to a web application or an email application, a file application, a database application, a gaming application, banking application, a messaging application, a photo editing application, money transferring application, cab booking application. So literally everything is application there, right? So IT resources are needed to run your applications and to store your data. This is your bottom line. On the particular line, on this particular sentence, we can understand the complete routing concept. So I repeat this again. IT resources are needed. IT resources mandatory actually to store it and to run all the applications in our company with over the internet. Okay. So what Amazon says here, Amazon says, you need IT resources. Okay. To take these IT resources, you have to buy them by spending some crores and crores of. Let us take a very simple example. Company with 100 servers. By the way, 100 servers company is not a big company. It is somewhere like a small company. A medium level company can have some 500, 700,000, 500 servers. Big level company can have 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 servers. Okay. So imagine you want to establish a computer network with how many servers here, friends? 100 servers. So this server, we need server operating, storage, firewall, router, database, and many more things. Okay. You know, friends, if you want to establish a data center for 100 servers so that you can store the data and run the application, approximately, you need to spend around, let's say 6 to 7 crore Indian rupees. Wow, that is some money, right? Can you please tell me 6 and 7 crore rupees is more or less? I'm expecting an answer like S from your side, right? It is obviously more. 6, 7 crore rupees, so let's say 8 to 10 crore rupees is some money for any company to establish a data center. Okay. Some people says, listen, you are spending 5 crore, 4 crore rupees, 10 crore rupees, 50 crore rupees, or even let us say 50 lakh rupees, a very small company, 50 lakh rupees, or let's say 2 crore rupees. So Amazon says, why you are spending that much money? You are spending that much money to bring all these IT resources? Do one thing. Do not spend any money on the IT resources. We, as the Amazon Web Services cloud provider, we will provide you all the IT resources that you need. Amazon says, we will provide you all the IT resources that you need over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So it's such a simple and easy method, right? Such a simple and easy idea is this of cloud computing. So companies like Amazon, they will say, we will provide you literally whatever you need. Tell us how many servers you need. 100 servers. Okay, next couple of minutes, you can take 100 servers. Okay, you need 4,000 servers, and next couple of minutes, you can take 4,000 servers. It's not a big deal. Amazon people have that much infrastructure that they can provide you all the resources that you want. Okay, and this is take these resources, use these resources, and pay according to your usage. That is what this is actually. So this is the concept of cloud computing. So it says clearly, instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can take all the resources from us and these resources to store your data and to run your application.